Yep. So we're going to continue on. We have the drive shafts to be cleaned and painted. The yokes on either end. I have new ball joints. They came in. I also have new straps that are coming. We're going to paint those as well and get those on the car. Run some gas lines today. And clean up some loose ends. And get that stuff ready. I did order some bushings for the back. So we are, or for the entire car actually. So they are Ultra Pro elastic something. They were really nice and not too bad. I got them from Eckler's, so they're in order. They're on the way, so hopefully within the week or two those will come in. So in the meantime, I'm going to take off all the trailing arms and suspension in the back. I do have some material for the shock mount now, which we're going to mock up a prototype and get that on. And also the scrap wood didn't work out in the back, and that's fine. So we have some nickel copper lines we're going to run to the back. I have some new rubber here and a new line here as well. So we're going to put them together. Around down here, I'm going to run a straight steel line or hard line from back to the front because I don't have enough rubber. So we'll make a connection there to the fuel filter, and then that'll go into the car, and then that will be done. So I still need to work on the venting of the gas tank, and that's coming as well. So without further ado, we're going to get started, get these drive shafts cleaned up, and then get the U-joints in, the new ones, and get them prepped for installation when they're ready to go. So let's go. Okay, so that was pretty successful. You can see that these are nicely done. They're nice and dirty. This is why you don't paint your drive shaft white. But I'll wipe them down after. Touch up some paint. I got a little bit of scratch, but these things are going pretty good. I changed out the nipple on one of them because it stripped. So I had an extra one. I used it, and now these are ready to go in the car. I'm waiting for straps to come in the mail. I got these two, because I figured I'm going through all this trouble, I'll change them all. They're not rusty, they're full strength, you know, new bolts, things like that to go on here. So these will be hopefully later today if they come in. Now we're onto the brakes. We are going to build the calipers. And as you can see here, I have a plethora of parts to go together. So this is a complete kit to rebuild 4 calipers, minus I'm missing 2 of these, so I will order those right now. They will come at some point, unless they're here somewhere. I just checked all my part bins and I can't find them. So here's the larger front caliper piston in the rear. We have new gaskets for the rear. We have new drain line plugs, new bolts. For some reason these didn't come with sliders, but anyway. And then the same thing here. on the front and 4 new brake lines. So should be pretty good. Let me show you what we did with the calipers. And here they are. So I went ahead and painted them green because the theme of the car is going to be black and green. So here's the new caliper after it has been refurbished. Looks like that paint's not holding very well. Interesting. High heat paint doesn't like this stuff. Anyway, I will touch that up later. Inside here, you see I've cleaned all this out. I'm going to start on this. So basically what happens is this rubber goes on top of here. This goes inside. You have to coat all this with brake fluid inside. The banjo bolt goes on here with a new copper washer, new drain plug. Put it together. New sliders go into here like this and greased up. And basically this bolts to the back of this, and this slides in and out as you press on the brakes. So pretty straightforward stuff. Really easy actually. So if you want to attempt this at home, it's super easy. So yeah, I'll get putting these together and show you how we did that. Okay, so I add a little squealers in there to stop it from squeaking. Now we're going to add the pistons in, and to do that we need to coat this with brake fluid, the inside with brake fluid, as well as the pistons themselves. So this can get kind of messy. So we're going to put down some towels because brake fluid is very corrosive, as we know. And we'll do one at a time. Some success. So as you can see here, these are all in, ready to go. Nice and sealed up too. We've got this one. Now I've got to put some bleeders in, put these back in the box, seal it up, wait for some more parts to come because I'm missing some, as I said. And then, yeah, once the bushings come in, all this stuff will take a day, reassemble it all. It's gonna be really nice. So, I'm gonna get going on this, and then I'm gonna head over and run the gas line. So we're gonna do that today as well. call me a fairy.
Why?
Just call me a fairy.
You're a fairy.
Poof, you're a bucket of shit. Hey, like that one? Try that one sometime.
Okay.
I have some 1/4-inch nickel copper brake line, which I got a while back. This actually might fit. Maybe too small. Let's see. Oh yeah, a little too small, but I might be able to flare it up to make it fit. So I do have to make some brake line repairs, so I'm gonna use some of this. This stuff is really easy to bend, but also very soft, so you have to be very careful when you flare them, because if you flare them too much on the tool, they leak, because once you tighten them down on the actual caliper or wherever, it starts to split more. So we don't want to do that. And what else do I have in here? Yes, we need some of these, as always. So I don't know who said China stuff wasn't good, but I got lots of stuff from China, and it's good. Real good stuff. So, yeah, we're good. We're going to get on cutting this and then stick them underneath the car. We still have to take the old one off. It's still full of gas. I'm disconnected from the filter, and then that's it. All right, we're on the floor. So, good thing I made it a little longer, because there is a few more bends than I was anticipating. So, under here is where the lines come down. And I'm going to go over this. I was going to cut this, but I don't think I should. So I'm going to go over and then bend around this way and go straight down that way. So there's going to be a couple of bends here. And that should be okay. As you can see, I don't know if you can, but the floor pan drops a little lower than this. So it should be fine to come over and under. On the other side, the brake lines go over this and around. So this I'll straighten out. I'm going to take off the side skirt. I think it's just bolted on, and lift the car and take this off and see what this looks like under here, so I can start deciding on what I'm going to do with the body kit. I don't think the body kit is going to be really lower than what the car is going to be. I don't really know yet. See, the front bumper is a little bit lower than, oh, that's just the flaring there in the front. So I might not go any lower than that flaring in the front. So this might drop down maybe just an inch or two. But if the car is going to be sitting on the ground, I don't really want the body kit to be holding up the car. So we'll see. There's some adjustment to be made. But once the wheels are here, we'll know how that's going to go. But I'm going to get on bending these, and yeah, we'll get this finished. So that is it for now. We have the bottom painted. We have to let that dry now, so we're going to wait another day. I wasn't anticipating that, but I should because the car is in such disrepair. So thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Thanks for watching again. Feel free to share the video if you found any of these tips handy. For sure, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. We're making some good progress, so it's coming along really good. I'm going to continue and keep taking apart the rear end. I am waiting for some bushings. There's a bit of an issue there, but I'll let you guys in on that next episode. So yeah, I'll end this one here, and we will see you on the next one. Take care.